Hey guys, this your boy Sean with Hybrid Kennels, and today I want to give you an update on my Frenchie honey. Today I took her to the vet and got confirmation that she is pregnant. They did an ultrasound and they seen like at least 3 puppies. Yeah, you can see she got a little bigger. Her nipples red. You can tell that she is pregnant. Her nipples got a little bigger. I did her first A.i December the 8th, 2021. I skipped a day. Then we did another A.i December the 10th. If she took December the 8th, then she should be at least 31 days. That's why I count on the calendar. If she took December 10th, then she'll be 29 days today. So she probably have her puppies February the 10th next month. But yeah, you see she got bigger. And what I did, I was watching videos, and if you need help like with your progesterone test, like the numbers you should breed, I could make another video. Feel free to comment, and I'll tell you what I did to get the numbers I had bred her on. Her heat cycle, like her numbers was going up slow, but I kept getting her check like constantly, going to get her progesterone test done and make sure her numbers were right. But yeah, I can make a video on that. If anybody need help, just comment. But yeah, she is pregnant. I can make a video each week. I might make a video every week of her growing, of her getting bigger. But yeah, it's still kind of hard to tell, but you can see her nipples is red and they hang a little bit. I heard that you could I heard that you could like feel the sides. You can feel like a little ball or plum to tell if she pregnant. You try to feel the puppies. But yeah, I had got an ultrasound done, and you could get a pregnancy test done at your vet. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on her, and I'll make more videos. I'll make a video each week of her growing and her belly growing. And if anybody need help with the progesterone test, I can make a video on that too, like when you do your first A.i. It took me a while to get it. She came in heat so many times, I missed it. And so I ended up watching another video, and I ended up getting it. Kept her numbers, kept an eye on her numbers, her progesterone numbers. But yeah, if anybody need help, just feel free to comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm out.